right, so when you complete the square, you're going to go group your x's first. So we've got x squared minus 6x, plus we're going to leave some space to complete the square. Now we're going to go do my y's. I've got a positive 4y squared, a minus 16y, plus something to complete the square. What do we have to do with this 21? Equal what? Very good. When you move it over, it changes to a negative 21. Here's something we keep forgetting. When you complete the square, the number out front has to be a positive 1. Is the number out front of this one a positive 1?
Yeah.
Check. That one's ready to go. Is the number out here a positive 1? It's not ready to go. So what do I have to go do to all these y's? Say divide. What are we going to do? Divide by 4. Nice job, Brandon. Okay, so this stuff, it comes down for now. It's kind of on hold for a minute until I fix my y's. So to fix my y's, we're going to do exactly what Brandon said. I'm going to go divide everything in the y spots divided by 4. So y squared minus 4y. We're going to leave some room. It's still going to equal negative 21. Our pattern was half it, square it, add it. We're going to half it, square it, add it. What is half of negative 6? 3. What is 3 squared? 9. So I got to add it over here too. Half it, square it, add it. Okay, we're going to do it again. What is half of negative 4? Negative 2. What is negative 2 squared? 4. Okay, here's the tricky part. Did I really add 4? No. What did I really add? 16, because I had a 4 out here. 4 times 4, so I really added 16. Okay. Now we're going to go complete the square for both of these. We're almost done. This is going to be x something squared. This is going to be 4y something squared. And I'm going to go add these up. Negative 21 plus 9 plus 16 equals, God bless you, what does it equal? 4. Thank you. Right, when you're trying to figure out what goes in here, you just take the square root of the ends and the sign of the middle. The square root of x squared, it's x. What's the square root of 9? 3. What's the sign in the middle? Done. Next one. We're going to take the square root of the ends and the sign in the middle. What's the square root of y squared? Y. The square root of 4? What sign's in the middle? Almost done. What do ellipses have to equal? 1. So what do I have to do to this to make it be a 1? Divide everything by 4. It's okay. Alright, so if I divide this one by 4, it just stays x minus 3 squared over 4. If you divide your second one by 4, you get y minus 2 squared over 1. Do you really have to write over 1 if you don't want to? No, it's just to make you feel good. And then 4 divided by 4 is 1. Should you now be able to fill these in? Alright. So what's my A? Very good. What's my B? 1. Okay. What's my center? 3, 2. Good. Opposites because it was in parentheses to begin with. Minor axis.
4.
Good. 2 times A.
1.
Minor axis. 2 times 1? 2. How are we doing? Me too. X equals, Y equals. Okay. Go look under the X. I see a 4. What's the square root of 4? 2. Then I'm going to write down cosine T. Okay, here's the part where we always mess up. Am I going to put minus 3 or plus 3?
Plus 3.
Plus 3. Very good. You put whatever H is at the center. I look under the Y's. I have a 1. What's the square root of 1? Do you have to write the 1? No, but if it gives you warm fuzzies, go ahead. So 1 sine t, only if you want to write it. What is my k at the center? Plus 2. Go type it in your calculator and sketch your picture.